look at the state of the mortgage industry today, you've all probably undoubtedly heard the stories and all the horror. In 1970, it was the Community Reinvestment Act that came out of the Carter administration that started this whole mess with the mortgages. Because people believed, the administration believed that people had a right to own a home. No one had any money, so they developed the 100% mortgage financing loan, which really took off in the late 80s. But that was the beginning of our problem, because now we've got all these foreclosures and homes overvalued, and sure, there's a lot of people that can bear a lot of responsibility. There's definitely bad mortgage lenders out there, but I'm still standing, so not all of us are bad. The government then said, you have to sell these 100% mortgages. Bank of America stood up and said, we do not want to, they are bad. If people don't have money into the transaction, there's no obligation, there's no responsibility. The government told B of A, if you don't, we're going to fine you because it's called discrimination, because you're not getting on board and helping these poor people own a home. So B of A was forced to do this, and all the other big lenders followed suit because we had to. Now all of a sudden there's tons of foreclosures, but the government's painting the mortgage lenders as the bad guys because we gave these 100% loans to the people. I didn't create the program, the government did. So if we saw where that went, imagine where the cap and trade, the medical, everything that they want to do, imagine where that's going to go if we let them control. Now I will say, my daughter is now 27 and she's working on a baby. So I may be a grandma soon at 46. Whew. I shudder to think what my grandchildren are going to inherit. You know, what is this going to mean? In the meantime, about 8 years ago, I got remarried to a beautiful man and inherited 3 teenage boys. Woo, that was exciting. Our 18-year-old, the day he graduated high school, went down to the Air Force recruiter's office and signed up and looked me in the eye and said, Mom, I know you're scared, but I'm not going to let them take our country. So, I've got an 18-year-old stepson who is now in boot camp, graduating from boot camp on Labor Day. So help me protect my grandkids, help me protect my dream of being a bigger business owner than I already am. And anything I can do, I don't know a darn thing about politics, but I'll sign up for a committee if you show me what to do. Thank you.